Hello everyone, my name is Lance Fuhrer. I'm the Assistant Principal for Curriculum and Instruction, and today I want to spend some time with you just to briefly talk about your PSAT score, what it means, and what sort of implications there are for your future. First, on the upper right hand corner you're going to see three little icons. Your answer sheet is broken down into three sections, and so the blue square will indicate which of the sections that we're talking about as we move through this short presentation. So your PSAT score is broken down into three parts: critical reading, mathematics and problem solving, and then writing skills, and that's in the top half of that answer sheet. And then there is a personalized analysis of your skills that is in that middle section. It is sorted by subcategory. In this middle section on the left-hand side is also where you can find a personalized access code that allows you to look at your results in many different ways. You can sort them in different ways, and you can also create a custom study plan online, and we really encourage you to go to the website that's listed on your sheet, plug in your access code that's on there, and it will give you, again, a preview of a ton of different information that will really be helpful. Your answers on the bottom, if you want to see a copy of your test booklet, your counselors have that. Pay attention to the three letters that are next to each of those answers, E, M, and H. Those stand for easy, medium, and hard. That gives you an indication as to whether, compared to other students across the country, was that question easy, medium, again, or hard. And you can sort these online to really get a more detailed look at your score within PSAT. One of the more interesting parts of the PSAT is its National Merit Scholarship implications and National Merit Status certification that you can earn. And the numbers by which you can earn some of these recognitions change every year. And it takes a few weeks and even months sometimes for the National Merit Scholarship organization to come out with some of this information. But just to give you an idea for example, this year's senior class, the number that allowed students to qualify for semifinalist status as a part of National Merit was 215 and above. Again, this can change. That's no guarantee that that will be the number for your class. But again, it gives you an idea as to what would it take to become a semifinalist. National Merit Commended, that number this year for the class of 2015 was 201 to 214. Again, that number changes every year. What are your plans and what lies ahead, and how might this PSAT score affect that or influence that? PSAT, unlike the ACT, it's not an admissions test, but it does indicate predicted collegiate success, and colleges are interested in some of those scores. They're particularly interested in students that might qualify for National Merit Status, whether it be finalist, semifinalist, commended, or any other designation. One of the things we would really like you to think about is because you're taking the PSAT, you might be looking at some highly qualified and highly selective schools. And there are some standard schools, Harvard, Stanford, and other well-recognized highly selective schools. And this is certainly not an exhaustive list, but look at some other schools beyond the Ivy League that are highly selective, that are a great match for your skills. Everything from Boston College to William & Mary. Again, this is not a list that is comprehensive, but it does give you a look at other beyond the Ivy League schools that Neuqua Valley students have attended or are attending that would be a great fit for your skill set. So one of our goals for PSAT students is to broaden your collegiate search to schools beyond those highly selective schools that, quote unquote, everybody knows about. These are schools listed here that would be a great fit for you, that deserve your consideration and further questioning. Again, our College Career Center is a great place to get started. Your counselor, also our Director of Guidance, Mrs. Schuler, is another great resource for you to take advantage of. Again, thanks for taking the PSAT. If you have any further questions, please see your counselor.